The slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the point this and this. So basically what we have in the question, so we have a point P which is having the coordinate 0 comma minus 4, and we have a point Q which is having a coordinate 8 comma 0. And what we have to find out, we have to find the slope of a line which passes through the origin. So origin coordinates, you know that the origin coordinates is 0 comma 0 and the midpoint. So there is a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint. So we don't know the midpoint coordinates right now, but we will find out of the line segment. So there are two lines basically, one which is passing through these 2 points, and there is one more line which is passing to the origin and M, right? So we have to find out the slope for this line basically, right? So let's start with that, everyone, how to do it. So for that, what we will do, we will draw the Cartesian plane, right? A rough Cartesian plane I will make for you. So this vertical line is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Okay, now let's draw the coordinate. So the first coordinate P is 0 comma minus 4. So 0 is here and minus 4 is on the y-axis. You know that negative portion of y we have downside. So let's say suppose this is minus 4. So this point is called as 0 comma minus 4. Whenever one of the point is 0 in the coordinate, the point lies on the axis. If x is 0, then it lies on the y-axis. If y is 0, then it lies on the x-axis. We have a point Q also, which is 8 comma 0. So x is 8, and because here y is 0, so it lies on the x-axis. So suppose let's say 8 is here. So this is the point 8 comma 0, which we call it as Q. So this is P, this is Q. And when we join them, so the line will be like this. Okay, this is the line. Now, what they are saying that there is a midpoint of this line. So how to find out the midpoint? Midpoint of PQ, how you will find it? There is a formula that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, that is the formula. So what is x1? Let's take this is x1 y1 and this says x2 by 2. So x1 0 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 is how much? Minus 4, and y2 is 0 by 2. So what is the coordinate? It is 0 plus 8, 8 by 2 is 4. And minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So this is the coordinate basically. So it's 4 comma, let's say this is 4 and here it is minus 2, right? Something like minus 2 is here. So this is the point, right? This is the point that we have, which is the midpoint. So let's call it as M. Now there is a line they are saying of which you have to find out the slope. So the line which is passing to the origin. So this is the origin, everyone. This is the origin and M. Okay, this is O. And M. So what we will do, we will draw the line like this. Okay, this is the line which passing through O and M. So we have to find the slope. Now we know the formula for the slope. Slope we are represented by M, which is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Because the line of which we have to find out the slope, that is passing through O and M. So let's take the coordinates of O as x1 y1 and M as x2 y2, right? So O is 0 comma 0 and M is 4 comma minus 2. So let's put that. So x1 is 0 and y1 is also 0. So let's put the value. So y2 is x2, y2. So y2 is minus 2 and y1 is 0. Then you have x2, which is 4 and x1 is 0. So when we sort out this one, minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 and minus 2 by 4, because 4 minus 0 is this. So when we sort out this one, so it is minus half. So the slope of the line passing through O and M is equals to half, everyone. Okay, so this is M. So